Python argparse, mutually exclusive group with default if no argument is given. I'm writing a Python script to process a machine-readable file and output a human-readable report on the data contained within. I would like to give the option of outputting the data to style.s by default, or to a txt, t, or csv, c file. I would like to have a switch for the default behavior, as many commands do. In terms of usage column, I'd like to see something like script s, c, t, input file, and have s be the default if no arguments are passed. I currently have for the relevant args, in brief. So if none of s, t, or c are set, style.s is forced to true, exactly as if s had been passed. Is there a better way to achieve this? Or would another approach entirely be generally considered better for some reason? Note, I'm using Python 3.5.1/2 and I'm not worried about compatibility with other versions, as there is no plan to share this script with others at this point. It's simply to make my life easier.
You could have each of your actions update the same variable, supplying start as the default value for that variable. Consider this program. Your code could look like. First alternative. Rather than arbitrarily choose one of the .add_argument, s to specify the default type, you can use parser.set_defaults to specify the default type. Second alternative. Rather than specify the type as an enumerated value, you could store a callable into the type, and then invoke the callable.
Source order application can require